Okay, so this is the package that has arrived from Pico here. So let's unbox it, opening it, all the stuff of the packages and blah blah blah. Adesso questo pezzo prendo tagliato, perché due coglioni. Magari lo vedo. Okay, so these UPS boxes so strong everything. Okay, so after having removed this with so much difficulty, here is the box, the Pico Neo 2i. So it's all white. There is here the features of this device. You have 4K display, more than 100 degree field of view, and a lot of stuff. Controllers with 360 tracking. So 6 you have controllers. So let's throw things out of here. The package. Now let's remove the seals. Okay, I removed the seals from here and here, and it's a bit hard to unbox. Okay, so here you are, the nice packaging of the Pico Neo i2. So you see that it's more balanced than the Quest because here there is the battery. So there is smell of like Chinese plastic. Yeah, I don't like it. So it's here you have the headset that you can remove from here. You see the two tracking cameras, a vent, the turn on button, here the cushion for more comfort, these knobs to regulate it for your head. Here you have the speakers, they seem a bit cheap. And here, if I remove this, you can see that there is the hardware to track the eye here around here. So this is the headset, and here you have the two controllers. So they are not as comfortable as the one of Oculus. They're a bit different, but anyway, they also track with a different tracking method, so not vision based. What if I remember well is like magnetical tracking from Atraxa. So here you have a button. If you look here, it seems like a little duck. Quack, quack. So here you have the controllers, and then there is a box, a little box. Here you are Pico Neo 2, some instructions. Okay, so here you are this useless. So let's open this little box. Okay, so here you are an instruction pamphlet in Chinese, English, Japanese, and that's it. So I will never read it. Like a cloth to clean the lenses, USB-C cable, USB-C cable to charge a controller. So it has two ends here, 2 ports, so you can attach both the controller a single time. These ones are to attach controllers to your wrists, and then 1, and then 2 tracking charging supplies. So the box is empty, and so here you are the whole set of the Pico Neo i2. It's more or less what I was expecting, and let's try it if the smell doesn't kill me. So see you for my next video with a review of this device.